Hello students. So let us move towards our new topic, that is forces acting on a gravity dam. It is the important part of the water resources engineering and covered in RT syllabus in unit 3rd. So there are two discussions about this topic. In one question, analysis and design used to ask, and second question about this is forces acting on this dam. So today we will discuss about forces acting on dam. So these all forces are externally exerted on dam. Number one, first of one is water pressure, denoted by P, and this is calculated by hydrostatic pressure distribution. So you can see here that this is a cross section of the dam, and this is the upstream side, this is the downstream side, and in upstream side head available is capital H, and in downstream side, if water is available here, or see, so we are assuming that head available in this downstream is H dash. So as you know that pressure acting on this dam towards upstream and downstream side both are in triangle profile. So, and this triangle profile, the area of this triangle profile gives the pressure force on this dam, acting on this dam. So what is the area, what will be the area of this particular triangle profile? We can see here, if this is the base of the triangle and capital H is the height of the triangle as head, so half into BH, P cross H, and this B, as you know, that written as gamma W into H. This is the width of this triangle. So pressure on bottom surface, this is the pressure on bottom surface, and also known as rho G, is written as rho GH. This rho G, what is rho G here? Rho G equal to gamma W, means unit weight of water, that is 9.81, and for approximation we can take 10 in place of 9.81, and capital H is the height of water, that is the head available on this upstream side, and this pressure, the pressure on this dam towards upstream side will act on center of gravity of this triangle, that is the one which comes as 1/3 of height. So pressure force we can calculate here 1/2 B. After putting the value of B from this gamma W into H, it becomes gamma W H square, which act towards right side, means towards downstream side, and act at an H/3 height. So in this downstream side, if the downstream side the water is also available, then similar force will act on towards the downstream of the dam. So suppose there is a P dash pressure which acted on the center of gravity of this triangle towards upstream side, and at an height of H/3. So the value of P dash means the pressure force equal to 1/2 gamma W H dash square, similar to the previous equation, and act at an H/3 height in left side. Here a point is very important, that this pressure on the both stream is due to water. Second pressure which act on a dam, it is uplift pressure. There are two cases in this favor. One case is drainage gallery, when drainage gallery is provided, and the second case there is no drainage gallery in the dam. So we will discuss one by one. When drainage gallery is provided, first one is, so what is the purpose of this gallery in the dam? So first one is to inspect the crack, and second one is for repairing and maintenance work. We can, the labor or maintainer can pass through this gallery and inspect and repair the work. So this is the cross section of the dam, and similar H dash and H head available on upstream and downstream side. So gallery is provided here, and this uplift pressure act through bottom part of the dam because of the water which tends to seeps from upwards to downstream side from bottom. So uplift pressure may act towards upward side, and the profile of this uplift pressure is like this. So ordinate of this particular profile is gamma WH, that is similar to the previous case, and gamma WH dash is similar to the gamma WH dash is the ordinate available in downstream side. So ordinate at this point where drainage gallery was provided, gamma WH dash means ordinate of this downstream side pressure force plus 1/3 means the center of gravity of this particular figure, which is the composition of rectangle and triangle. The difference between them and center of 1/3 of this difference between them. So it is calculated as ordinate of this particular drainage gallery. So ordinate along drainage gallery equal to the, we can say, ordinate at downstream side, that is gamma WH dash plus 1/3 of the difference of the ordinates, where two profile here, rectangle and triangle. Second case is there is no gallery, there is no drainage gallery. So figure is like this, and the profile, the uplift pressure profile is similar to previous case. Gamma WH, this is the ordinate at this side, and gamma WH ordinate available at this side. This is the pressure force acting on the each side, and center of gravity of distribution, the pressure act on the center of gravity of this distribution. And there are some important points about the no drainage gallery, or in this case number one is water seeps through the bottom of the dam towards downstream side. Second one is this water exert a force on the dam towards upper side, we already discussed. Next point is the width is same as ordinate in water pressure, that is gamma WH and gamma WH dash. This case is also we have discussed. And last point is if water is not available in the downstream side, then profile or distribution will be as below. So there is a no distribution, there is a no water available, so this ordinate will be 0, and this ordinate is remain same. So triangle profile and a pressure profile will be like this. Thank you.